A KP3RL is a governance and staking coin allowing the holders to vote and propose the jobs as well as collect a percentage of the network fees. And in this video, I will elaborate all the things about the KP3RL, and secondly also I will tell you about the pre-sale which is ongoing on the main website, so you can easily purchase the token directly from them. Not a huge supply, so stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
So only 6 days are left for the token sale. And what is all about Keep3RLink? Basically, KP3RL is a decentralized keeper network for the projects that need external develops and for external teams to find the keeper jobs. Only and only 300,000 tokens are there. The total supply of the KP3RL is 300,000, and from that 300,000 they are selling at this time in the private sale only and only 110,000 KP3RL tokens. Now what is all about the KP3RL? Basically, the Keep3RLink allows the users to post on-chain, off-chain jobs like periodically calling a smart contract functions. Keepers execute the transactions and the tasks. The protocol is based on the Anticron's Keep3R network, with the number of the improvements including allowing the users to bond and reward the jobs directly with Link. This makes the project more compatible with existing DeFi products who can already make great use of the keepers, and KP3RL is the token that runs the network. It is, you can say, blood in the vessels. It's required for the proposing new jobs. Holders will be able to stake and vote with their token, passively earning not only bonus KP3RL but also a share of all the link fees in the network. Now talking about the governance, the decentralization is at the core of the blockchain technologies. The Keep3RLink provides the holders of KP3RL the ability to vote not only the worker job proposals but also what share of the fees they get and how the project grows. So at this time, if you want to purchase the token, simply you can come on the main website. I will share the link in the description, so you can easily buy the token. You have 6 days left, and right now if you are going to buy the token, it will cost you entirely low. 1 Ethereum is equal to about I think 166 KP3RL. So definitely in the future price will definitely grow. So it's your time to buy the token at very low price. Now it's the time to talk about the tokenomics. The entire supply of this token is 300,000 KP3RL, and the private sale only and only 110,000 KP3RL, and the locked liquidity supply 30,000 KP3RL token. And in the staking reward, people and especially the farmers will able to earn 160,000 KP3RL tokens. And the marketing campaign, the dev funding and sent to liquidity funds about maximum 120,000 KP3RL tokens. So at this time they are giving away 1 Ethereum about 166.66 KP3RL token. So after when the token will be listed on some good exchanges, definitely the price will increase. So it's your time to buy it, and the maximum purchase you can purchase up to with 10 Ethereum, and also the minimum with 0.5 Ethereum. And also the best thing about the token burning, the tokenomics of the token in the phase 2 of this protocol with the staking will be actively the following fees will occur: selling 5%, transferring 2.5%. So it means the price will grow eventually and 100% organically. So also you can check out the contract address to confirm the real KP3RL token, because nowadays issue is occurring on the Uniswap exchange that whenever you are going to buy any token, you will find out so many tokens with one name. So you must have to check up the contract address, and as I told you that it's the time that you can buy the token directly from the token sale at low price. So don't wait for the time to be listed on some exchanges. It's your time to buy it directly from the website, and then you can sell it out when the token will be listed on exchanges. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.